In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-commerce website in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the official Odoo website. Just type in the URL and you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that will set the stage for your e-commerce venture. Once you're on the Odoo homepage, look for the Start Now, It's Free button. This feature allows you to select what type of product you want to build, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the setup process, the next step is to find the e-commerce option. Click on e-commerce and you'll proceed to the next screen where Odoo will prompt you to continue. Don't worry, this journey is straightforward and intuitive. After clicking on continue, you will need to fill in some information about yourself. Odoo will ask for your details and also for a name for your website. Take a moment to think about a catchy name that captures the essence of your brand. Once you've filled in all the required information, click on Start Now. This will initiate your account setup and get you one step closer to crafting your e-commerce site. After that, you will be taken to a new page where you'll see a button that says, Let's do it. Click on this to start the fun process of customizing your e-commerce shop. Next, you'll need to select the type of e-commerce store you wish to build. So click on the e-commerce option. It's pretty straightforward as Odoo makes it easy for you to navigate. You should now see various options or themes for your online shop. For instance, you might want an electronics store, but there are plenty of other choices based on the specific purpose of your website. Pick the one that suits your business idea best. Once you've chosen the type of store, it's time to select the features you'd like to keep for your website. This is an important step as it will determine what functionalities will be available to your customers. After making your selections, click on the button that says Build My Website. However, the customization doesn't stop there. You can now choose your theme and the style of product presentation that aligns with your brand. Odoo provides various attractive themes to enhance your site's appeal, so have a good look and choose something that stands out. Finally, once you are happy with your selections, go ahead and click on Build My Website. This is the moment where everything comes together. Odoo will process your inputs and build your website in no time. And there you have it. Once your website is built, you will be automatically redirected to it, ready for you to explore and make any additional tweaks or adjustments. Creating an e-commerce site with Odoo is extremely user-friendly and efficient. Hopefully, this guide helps you feel confident in taking the first steps toward your online business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy selling!